In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize sale badge color and position in Shopify Horizon theme. We'll walk through this step by step, so you can quickly change how your sale badges look and where they appear on your product cards. This is all done inside your Shopify admin, so you don't need to touch any code. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and log in. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the option called Online Store. Go ahead and click that. At the top of this page, you'll see your current theme. On the right side of that theme, there's a button that says Edit Theme or Customize, depending on your version. Click that button to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, look at the far left side of the screen. This is your main editing panel. Near the top of that panel, you'll see a small gear icon, which represents your theme settings. Click on that gear icon to open the global settings for your theme. Once the theme settings panel opens, look for a section labeled Badges and click it to expand. This is where all your badge-related options live, including the sale badge. Here you'll see an option called Position on Cards. Next to it, there's a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and you'll see several choices for where the sale badge can appear on your product cards. Bottom left, or top right. Select the position that best fits your store's design. For example, top right is often great for visibility, while bottom left might feel more subtle and less intrusive. Now let's adjust the color. Still in the badges section, you'll see a heading called Colors. Under that, look for Sale, and next to it you'll see another dropdown. Click this dropdown to choose from the preset color schemes available in your theme. These presets are designed to work well with your overall store colors. If you want more control and need to tweak a preset, look for the Edit button under Color Scheme. Click that, and Shopify will take you to the Colors area inside Theme Settings. Here, you can fine-tune the colors for your badges, such as the background and text, to better match your brand or improve contrast and readability. Once you're happy with the badge position and colors, don't forget the final step. Click the Save button at the top right of the screen. This will apply all your changes to your live theme.